Alright, so I'm going to explain to you guys why you need the Max Lens Mod and what this thing is good for. Besides that, you can twist the camera around like what I do now, and like moving it left and right, and you don't see, like I tilt it. I don't know how I can show this, but it just, the horizon is super stable and doesn't move. So what I want to show you is how the Max Lens Mod is working here. It's actually a super wide angle lens, so it makes it wider than the widest wide, right? Does that make sense? So we are looking in the center here. There is this red frisbee on the tree, and then you look over to the fence on the right. You can clearly see like at least 3 segments on the right over there, right? So where this black top ends. So I go center camera to the tree here, and then I can see 2.5, 3 of those fence segments that are open. Now I take my lens mod lens and just take it off, twist it and take it off. So now you see how the camera works without that, right? So there is a lot of stuff missing here over to the right. All that is missing. We could see it's 2.5 fence panels. All that is missing. If I put the lens back on, oh, that was crooked. There we are, back on. So now you can see that we have here on the right side there 2.5, 3 panels more. That's how much more we can see compared to the other one. The other one is like back here. So we see a lot more. Besides, we can get closer to objects if the objects want to get close to us, and we can turn the camera around all the way and you wouldn't notice. Wow, and look at that. So we can go, like when the dog, for example, bites this ball, we can go inside the ball for example, and see how that looks like. Ouch. So if we put this in here, I have to hold it. I don't know how the sound is, but let's see this. If the dog bites now, yes. Then you see how a bite would look like from inside the ball. You just have to be careful. Don't get your fingers bitten off. Or, oh man, it's so brutal today. Oh, if I swing her around like this. No, not to bite back. You're gonna snap on that. That's not cool. Did you see how the camera turned around? You even confused the camera. Yes. So this turn a second ago was not in camera editing after. That was the camera doing this a second ago. Aha! Stop it. Don't push me with it. Man, you get me dirty. With your muddy. So with this now, the horizon lock is off. So if I twist it around, then the horizon is not 100% locked. You can see that it is moving around with it. But the whole point of this thing is just the horizon lock. So I also know that some of you guys want to see how this looks like in 5.3K. At 5.3K you can see the lens from inside. You can see how many pixels the camera is using to stabilize. Look at that. I move the camera left and right, up and down. That's 5.3K on the same lens. I can take the lens off here too, just for you guys to see if you want to see it here. See, that's like 5.3K without, and And this is with the super lens on it. Yeah, so it's a wide angle situation. Wide angle. Look at the distortion. 5.3K. Where's it? Here. There, the Max Lens is back on. That's how that looks like.